I'm sure it did back in the day.
It has a space for a ROM that can isolate it out to be the 16K chunk. It has another space for 16K that would be some SRAM. Or 8K or whatever you want it to be. And all you're doing
I need to find some cash. Yeah. That's awesome. Great setup. This is so cool. Man. Digging that. I gotta copy Doom plus Doom 2. Yeah. Doom plus. So Doom plus Doom 2. You can buy it on Steam. You can get it on the Xbox store. You can get it
You gotta make sure the resale
what's different downstairs in your video?
I saved up my money.
I'm not sure what I know they Commodore International had offices here. I don't know what they did.
Like education software.
Yeah, because I saw last year I saw that they were showing stuff that the universities were really good for the
Security questions, world answers.
Ran so nicely. It brought it
switches it to the screen.
Wow. This is kind of a cool feature. And I think it's got a tuner in it, right? It's a TDN monitor.
Yeah.
This is saying that it's the monitor are functionally equivalent to 1084, 1080, 1084S.
Everybody's shouting out. So I have developed a contact validation.
Because they're functionally equivalent.
You would answer
Look at that. Who played this?
I have a few sticks of laptop memory, but not much. What are you looking for in laptop memory? Sure, yeah. Okay, it's an old computer. What computer is it? Oh, heck, I can't even remember the name. Okay. But I think it looks like that.
There you go. There you go. So there's
Okay, good. And I got a fast code in here.
That's interesting. He's not saved. Write it down now.
It's a popular kind of alternative higher-level programming language, and people have written things that probably don't roll out before.